Hello everybody, welcome to another Shouldwell 740 unboxing. Today, unboxing the Stanley power-to-go lithium jump starter / portable power bank. Instantly jump starts your car up to a V6 engine, and you can charge your devices. You can get 20 jump starts out of one charge, I'm guessing. Has 3.1 amp meter USB power. Has a flashlight on it. Lithium ion battery, and chargers are included. This side says it's a power bank. Take the power bank with you as you back up power for any USB powered mobile device. Holds 90% of the charge for over a year. That's crazy. So on this side it says a jump starter. Fits in the glove compartment. Or my purse. I'll put it in my purse. Got your LED flashlight, smart cables port, which is, I guess that's for the jump pack part of it. 3.1 USB ports, LED power button, lithium battery status indicator, jump status indicator, smart cables controller, metal battery clamps, and it has wall charger, car charger, and 2 USBs. So get into it. Got this thing at Walmart for $20. You can't pass up $20. That's it. It's thick. Engine start. That's where you put your cords, I guess. Let's get into it. Owner's manual. I don't know how to read. Jumper cables. Those are actually pretty nice for $20. Wall charger, car charger, USB. Okay, so I want to see if it comes with the charge, because it should. I mean, it does. It has 2 batteries to charge. I cannot get this thing back on there. I'll do it later. 2 batteries charge. I wonder how the flashlight comes on. Oh, just. Okay, guys. Thanks for liking it. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit like. If you didn't, hit the down button. And if you want more stupid videos and unboxing videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.